Are your garden plants looking a little sad, even though you're giving them all the fertilizer you can find? What if I told you the secret to a lush, thriving garden isn't just about dumping more plant food in the dirt? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on what fertilizers really do, and how you can use them smarter for the healthiest, happiest garden you've ever seen. Hey y'all, welcome. If you're as obsessed with digging in the dirt as I am, and you want real deal advice that actually works, stick around. In this video, I'm going to break down the science behind fertilizers, bust some myths, and share what's actually made a difference in my own backyard. First up, what even is fertilizer? Simply put, fertilizers are just sources of nutrients that help plants grow. You've probably seen those three big letters, N, P, and K. That's nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Plants need all three, but, and this is the kicker, fertilizer alone won't turn sad soil into a garden paradise. Here's the real truth a lot of folks don't tell you. Synthetic fertilizers give your plants a quick boost, sure, but they don't feed the soil itself. They don't help those microscopic critters, the bacteria, fungi, and earthworms, who do all the heavy lifting for long-term soil health. In fact, going overboard with chemical stuff can actually hurt your soil over time. On the flip side, organic fertilizers and good old compost, they feed the soil life, improve the structure, and help your plants stand tall, naturally. Let me tell you, I've been there, dumping on the miracle grow, wondering why my tomatoes just wouldn't thrive. When I finally switched to compost and only used the right fertilizers sparingly where needed, my whole garden came alive. Plants grew stronger, the blooms lasted longer, and pests seemed to just give up and move on. It was like magic, except it's just good science. So here's how you can get it right. First, test your soil so you know what it actually needs. Don't just guess. Second, add organic matter like compost every season. Third, use fertilizer sparingly and only where your plants need it. And don't forget to water deeply and mulch well. That keeps your soil moist and those precious microbes happy. Bottom line, fertilizers are just tools. The real power is in healthy, living soil. Take care of that, and your garden's going to pay you back with more flowers, tastier veggies, and a whole lot less hassle. Found this helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe, and join our little garden family. Let's grow better gardens together, one seed at a time.